Okay, what my case here is I'm using structural building elevation. So you check your view template here, right? Edit. Halftone is here. Make sure it's the Archaic model, which is this. If you're done, you apply, and OK. It should change the gray color. Then if you go to other view, for instance, let's say your west, you can see that it's in black. All right. So just go to the view template, set to structure elevation, and apply and OK. It should update. Lastly, my east. Unless you want to show it to me on your screen. So can already, huh? You can, then okay. Okay, if you are ready, then let's go to your south view to create the level. All right, already? If okay, let's go to, let me see, all that required. Okay, all the level. Okay, go to the collaborate, collaborate tab, coordinate panel, look for copy, monitor, select link. Make sure you're able to highlight the link. Now done, go to option. Now this time round, go to the level. All right. Now we're going to change this. So here, we're going to copy original 8 mm head. If we happen to copy, will overwrite our survey point. So this is what we want, because this is the one that come with a larger text. So click OK and copy multiple. Crossing Windows, select all of them. If you miss out the below one, never mind. Just select this first. Finish. Then you should see that it will duplicate this and go back to copy monitor. Click modify. Now you can zoom closer. Okay. First story, you can still leave it. Now we want to copy is this, the ground level. So ground level, you just need to select copy. No need multiple. Just pick ground level will do. Okay. As for our level to this level, now you just need to monitor hours against Aki. Then you can do a final finish. Okay. So you will notice that what we copy is this. Alright, what they have is a bit different from ours. Okay. Important thing, our level must be correct. Don't care whatever their level here. We can still adjust. Okay? Because this is based on mm. That's why things are not accurate. So how to change this to this? Simple. You can select this based on what you see here. Edit type. See? Project base. So the actual triangle is M level head triangle 6 mm. See now. So Ours, how many mm? How come ours is smaller? Very weird. See? Oh, our text is not that huge. Okay. So if you want to change ours to theirs, it's not that it's not possible. It's still possible. Select this, change to this. All right. But survey point, apply. You see now, all change. Now everything back to normal. It's just that the value did not update. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to modify this family one more time. Go to families. Why duplicate theirs? Because I don't want to rechange the size, which is convenient for us. Okay. Also make your side easy. So what I'm going to change here is M level head, triangle 6. This one. Right click, edit. Okay. Select this, add the label, put in SFL space, your units here change to meter, and structure is 3 decimal place. Okay. Apply, apply, okay. Load into project, updates. Everything should be now back to normal. Now we are good. Okay. So the rest of the level, you just need to select them and drag it outside to tie or to lock to the level here. Does it show? Okay, I believe it should be locked already. Yeah, because of bubble. Yeah. Okay. Then this level should be lower. Okay, if today you can finish up to here, I'm very happy really, because at least some basic setup you need to know up to here. Okay, so the later view is to hide away the grid and level. See that? Just go to the structure, the view template, structure building. Go back in again. VG overrides RVT link, edit. Now this time round, we need to hide away the link Revit Aki, the level and grid, which are known as annotation. So you need to go to Revit link Aki by host view. Then what you are seeing here now, or you are controlling now, basically just the link Aki file. So first thing first, in order to enter to make changes, always remember, first thing you must go to the basic tab to enable custom setting. If you never select custom, you can't make any changes here. So model, same thing. You change host to custom, now you can. Annotation, cannot. Change the category by host to custom, now you can. So uncheck the grids and levels, no need. Apply, okay, apply, apply, okay. Now very clean and affected all your view. So all your views should be now properly done. So this preparations is good. Okay, questions before we continue the last stage? All right. So let me rename first. So this one should be your first story. Follow everything the same. Yes, so it's updated first story. So you know blue and black, meaning what? I could generate the floor plan for every single one. Lucky here, the setup with its no ceiling is good. So I just need to create all my plans. Already, you need to go to View tab, then Create panel, look for Plan Views. Select Structure Plan, not Floor Plan, remember. Alright, should be Structure Plan. So click Structure Plan, select all of them. First story we already have, so no need. What we need to generate structure plan. Oh, this is Archi, huh? Knowledge structure. This is mezzanine. Correct, see wrongly. So shift key, select the last one. Okay, and okay, every floor will be created for us. So you go to your south. Now they should become red, red, blue. That means already have a plan corresponding to it. Questions? All good. Can I? Okay. Last but not least, the final one is to do the final arrangement and set up those that are not required outside. Okay, because now you see the floor arrangements is different. So the final one should be you point at the view under project browser, right click, go to browser organization. From here, select discipline, apply, edit, come to grouping and sorting. Only the view names here, change it to associate level, descending, OK, apply, and OK. Your view should be back to normal. It's only the side you got to shift out to coordination. Yeah, and we are good. Minimize this. Yeah, done already. Then you save this as your assignment. So when you save, standard right here should be your class, your name, and assignment 2. So file format should be RVT. Okay. If you don't want to call it assignment 2, you call this as logistic warehouse. So I just call logistic warehouse. For my project lah, I call logistic warehouse. Save it. So you have prepared your model to do your structure. Any questions? Anyone? Or can get your model? So this file actually quite big, huge. Yeah. See, I try to pen sometime a bit difficult. So come to sharing, a bit difficult sometimes. Okay. So I only show you sometime part by part to get things done. So the first thing you guys are doing your own, you need to take note is, let's say you go to your 3D. Where's your 3D view? The 3D view is here. All right. So at your 3D view, you see it's an Archi plan, Archi model. It's a bit messy. you want to hide it or whatever, up to you. If not, it makes your file very huge. So normally at 3D here, what I would like to do is go to VG, under the link Revit, uncheck the model, which is here, because you don't want to see your model in 3D. Okay, as for the level here, all right, this is the Archi level for link Revit. Is it ours? Yeah, I think so. Only the first story is not in line. That means in some other view, this is not properly aligned. So let's go to our west. Can we still see our level? Ah, it's here. No wonder offset. Remember to adjust it. It's quite far away. Okay. Try to adjust all this nicely, as if that you are doing something real world practice. Yeah. Okay. Make sure all views are adjusted. That means all your elevation view. South and north should be the same. East and west. Now look at the east. Anything been updated? I think more or less is there. Just that here we need to adjust. Okay, because your base level, also called your first story, it should not be block. It should be like this. Yeah. Okay. So south north view. I think north view should be already done nicely. Oh, haven't dragged them out. Okay. Select them, adjust it. You must remember. Okay. Make sure all adjust nicely. Then you don't feel so confusing. Yeah. So this 3D lab 3D thing here need not to be shown. So you can just go VG. This hours under annotation category. Scroll down, look for levels. Unless you prefer the indication is there, then you leave it. For me, I don't like. I would like to off it. So level is here. Apply. Okay. Now it's gone. So when you start to build your model, it will take place. Right, the model will start to appear here. Questions? Hmm? Anyone? No? All good. Show which one? VV. VV on what? No, you like to hide. Say out loud. Easier. VG to record what or to hide what? Which part? You must tell. 3D view. How to create 3D view? You just need to click from a house here. 3D view default. That's all. Because our model default 3D views was not created. Remember? Yeah. Your first assignment, you already create 3D view before, right? Have you submit or not? You submitted, then it's okay lah. That means you learn before mah. Try to rename. Let's say you call this as 3D perspective or 3D. 3D perspective is a bit different. You prefer as a perspective. That means this 3D view here you right click. This is orthographic. Perspective is slightly unique. Right? You can set that. Default, the 3D is just an orthographic. Yeah. Oh, so you can change. Now currently it's nothing, but when you start to draw things up, you see. Okay? And you must need to know where you are now to start, because we have ground level now. So all these slabs you see here, all these are at ground level. So you base on the table. Remember the text file. I'll show you guys one first, then you can proceed to build. That is your structure slab. Okay, I don't call it as a foundation because here I don't think they want us to do any on foundation. So should be here. See, text file. So if you look carefully, this model, this is your loading bay. That means the whole thing here is RC loading 500. Yeah. So that means I'm going to create this structure slab. So let me just maximize this view. This is the first story. What you need to create should be at ground level. This. Yeah. So ground level, the view is still solid. So VG, link Revit, halftone. Remember. Okay. Then you look closer. If you find that currently the grid is bothering you, temporarily you can off it by VG using hours, because hours manage all your grid. So under annotation, I'll select grids and off it. You notice the Archi grid and our grid is gone. So this is where you can start to capture. So this whole piece here is your RC loading. See now, they break down. So this is the external driveway. So this one separate here is the fire engine access. Okay. So other thing here can be an open space, or some standard or normal slab. So this one also should be your loading. All right. Or can be a driveway also, but this is because warehouse access is here, 3 warehouse access area. So this is your RC. That means we have driveway, external. Okay, external floor can be floor like here, external. Okay. Staircase landing, which is here. So a bit different, because ground floor you don't see much info. Only when later you go to first story, you'll see more of that. Yeah. RC mezzanine, it means mezzanine level is 200. So yeah, almost there. So this list is just a default given to us. So try to make your file colorful, so at least you recognize which is which easier. So let's start from this landing. All right, the RC. Now how to create this structure? Go to floor structure. But I realized one thing on text. This is any foundation slab. See, there's something called foundation slab. So foundation slab, I believe should be this. This is the foundation slab. All right, this whole thing here. Okay, so that is your foundation slab, which is same thing 500. All right, that's why you can see it never use power cap footing. This whole component is your foundation slab. Yeah. Okay, or you to start with this also can. So foundation slab, you should select from here, foundation, not floor slab. So slightly different. Okay, so let's do the foundation slab first. So I'll select this for structure foundation slab. Then what is the thickness? 500. So I go to edit type. See any other slab here? Don't have, huh? So since got so many, I just take one to do a rename. So this is 150, change it to 500 mm foundation slab. Of course, the structure thickness, you must set this to 500 lah, right? Okay. Material you can change later. All right. So okay, apply. Okay, then you can start to draw. But bear one thing in mind. If you have existing model or existing CAD, normally do not use the draw method, especially from that far. To be accurate and precise, ideally, if you are duplicating or copying from existing objects, it should be use pick lines. If you're talking about accuracy, this is a must. All right. That time when we do your first tutorial, we didn't because it's nothing there. So you draw is correct. But now you are doing reference from an archi file. So we need to use pick line. So we pick the component we want. The access one, I see this should be joint. Do not pick. Okay. It should be treated as one piece. So if foundation they have column, you should void your column, right? Correct or not? But you can see here there's an overlap. Why? Because it's elevated up. So the line should be this, not this, this dotted line. So I'm going to draw here to where? Well, the file doesn't allow me to pen. My goodness. See, Revit got hang up on me. Now okay. So this one will look like this, your structure. Okay, so it should be like this and done. So here should be a rectangle hole. Okay. Then you see others. Here, not like that. It should be what? Pick line here and here. Then cleans up. Okay. Here should be cleans up. One piece. So all these sketch lines must be piece by piece. No overlapping. Remember. If it's done, finish. Oops. Where is the error? Loop must be closed. So some part is not closed. Where's my error here? Never show me color coding. Continue. No. Where's my error? You never highlight. Correct. One piece what? Unless somewhere got additional line, which is I didn't see. No, correct. Show. Hmm? What is this? Delete. Delete away. Finish it. Okay, now it's done. So in your drawing, your span direction automatically will be shown. Of course, you can not delete, hide away, don't show. So VG span direction is under our own annotation category, which is you scroll down. It's called span direction symbol. Uncheck this. Apply. Okay. Now it's gone. So see when you select, it's still there. It's just that it will not display. Perspective 3D, your slab is there. And you can enable the shading color. Okay, so that is your foundation slab. You can set any color you want. Try to have different contrast. So by seeing that, you can know which color is which component. When I teach you schedule, I will show you more information. Then you understand better. Okay? Questions? Anyone? If not, then I'll stop here. So today